Welcome students. I am going to discuss classification of computer memory. Memory, there are two types of memory, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is also two types, RAM and ROM. And secondary memory also two types, magnetic memories and optical memories. Magnetic memories, floppy disk, hard disk, magnetic tape, and optical memory, CD, DVDs, and Blu-ray disc. Here, I am only discuss to primary memory. RAM is also four types: DRAM, SRAM, SDRAM, and DDR. And ROM, PROM, EPROM, and EEPROM. Types of RAM: DRAM. DRAM stands for Dynamic Random Access Memory. It stores data temporarily at the data as the data is lost when power supply is suspended. SRAM stands for Static Random Access Memory. It is fast and expensive. It doesn't need to be refreshed like DRAM to retain information. SDRAM stands for Synchronous Dynamic Random Access Memory. It uses a synchronous interface to transmit large amount of data at high speed. DDR RAM stands for Double Data Rate Random Access Memory. It requires lesser power and has a speed which is double than that of SDRAM. Types of RAM. ROM. PROM for it stands for Programmable Read Only Memory. It is also called OTP. OTP stands for One Time PROM. Means it can be programmed only once at the time of manufacturing and cannot be modified later. It provides a faster and less expensive approach for storing. EPROM. EPROM stands for Erasable Programmable Read Only Memory. It is a computer memory chip on which the written information can be changed as per requirements. The chips have a glass panel that lets ultraviolet rays through. Ultraviolet light rays of a specific frequency can be shined for a specific period of time, which will erase the EEPROM and allow it to be programmed again. Double EEPROM stands for Electrically Erasable Programmable Read Only Memory. It can be erased and reprogrammed using an electrical charge. It is commonly used for BIOS program. It requires 21 volts electrical pulses for writing and erasing and 5 volt for read operation.